Dear colleagues and friends, on behalf of the World Health Organization, it is our pleasure for Tiago and I to send you greetings to you today. Thank you so much, Baxo and the Kobe Foundations, for your kind invitation. My name is Yangji Yang. I'm the Technical Officer for Aging and Health at the WHO Regional Office for Europe, which is based in Copenhagen, Denmark. We're very delighted to know that Dr. Manfred Huber is joining you today in person. Our dear colleague, Manfred, who has recently retired from WHO, and he has been a trusted mentor and colleague to many, and he has significantly shaped the WHO Europeans' work on healthy aging. We are very honored to continue his legacy, particularly on age-friendly environment, which I hope his presence today will add to your program. I'm also very happy to be joined by Dr. Thiago Henry de Sá for our joint greetings.
Good morning, everyone. I am Thiago Eric de Sá from WHO headquarters here in Geneva, Switzerland. I am the responsible officer for age-friendly environments and the global coordinator for the World Health Organization's global network for age-friendly cities and communities. I am delighted to add to today's greetings. As you know, we are living longer than ever before, but longevity alone does not necessarily guarantee a good quality of life. And this is where healthy aging becomes crucial, ensuring that individuals of all ages can live fulfilling lives. The UN Decade of Healthy Aging that started in 2021 and goes all the way until 2030 is a global collaboration aimed at enhancing the lives of older people, their families, and their communities. And it is our chance to work together to create a world where everyone can live long and healthier lives. One of the key focus areas of the decade is on age-friendly environments. And this is because our physical, social, and economic environments significantly influence how we experience aging and the opportunities it presents. You can download the resources of the decade, including the materials on age-friendly environments, in the QR code that you saw in this video. We believe that by working together in creating age-friendly environments, we can really help people of all ages to be and to do what they value for longer.
Since the inception of the WHO Age-Friendly Cities and Communities, we've been inspired by the energy and enthusiasm of local cities for putting ideas into action and placing older persons at the center for decision-making. These efforts across Europe have led to many, many innovative solutions in promoting healthy aging and responding to the evolving needs of current and future generations of older people. Like the city of Radovod in Germany, in creating concrete solutions towards more age-friendly outdoor spaces and buildings to increase accessibilities and safety for the communities, or the 11 age-friendly cities and communities across Poland that utilizes experiences of older persons and the existing age-friendly structure to support the influx of older refugees from Ukraine. We have learned from first-hand experience through visitings and meeting with individuals from cities, as well as being inspired by the over 600 best practices in the WHO Global Database of Age-Friendly Practices. We invite you to visit the global database to share your best practice and to be inspired by cities and communities around the world. Indeed, we have come a long way in creating a network of national, regional, and global communities of families.
Thank you, Yonji, for highlighting the WHO Global Database of Age-Friendly Practices. Now, as you mentioned, this database is really a valuable resource that collects and shares best practices from cities and communities around the world. It really allows us to learn from each other, and it provides inspiration for creating age-friendly environments. In that database, you will also be able to have the contact of those leading the way, of those leading those practices, in case you would like to know more from those experiences as well. Now, in addition to the database, the WHO Global Network members and affiliate programs also provide opportunities for collaboration and information sharing. The Global Network really brings together individuals and organizations from around the world who are committed to creating age-friendly environments and ultimately creating an age-friendly world. So they facilitate the exchange of knowledge and experience and support cities and communities in finding innovative and evidence-based solutions. Our latest WHO publication, named National Programs for Age-Friendly Cities and Communities, a guide, really provides guidance on how to develop, implement, and strengthen national programs for age-friendly cities and communities. And in fact, by the end of the UN Decade of Healthy Aging, we really hope that every single country has already taken steps to develop or strengthen their national and subnational programs for age-friendly cities and communities. Yonji.
Thank you again for this kind invitation. We wish you a great workshop, and we warmly encourage you to continue inspiring change by showing what can be done and how it can be done. And we invite you to connect with cities and communities in the workshop and share your best practices and experiences with us. We stand ready to support our collective journey to finding innovative and evidence-based solutions for creating age-friendly environments.
Yes, Yonji, that's very much true. Let's work together towards a world where everyone can live longer and healthier lives. Dankeschön.